Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to disable microphone on Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is here at the bottom search bar, please type for settings. The moment you have typed it, please proceed with the best matched and go with open to continue. Here at the settings window, please proceed with the privacy and security, tap on it. And under the privacy and security, you need to scroll down and look for app permissions, where here you need to proceed with microphone. Okay. So under the microphone access, please turn it off. In my case, I won't be turning it off since I'm using my microphone now as of the moment. But in your case, if you want to turn it off or disable such, turn it off and look for an application where you don't want it to have an access with your microphone. So let's say, for example, if you don't want to give an access to Microsoft Teams to access your microphone, turn it off. Okay, simply turn it off with feedback app, turn it off with your camera, turn it off, your sound recorder, turn it off. And here as well at the let app access your microphone, turn it off as well. And all the applications won't have a permission or access to your microphone. Okay, in my case again, to be clarified, I will not turn it on, off since I'm using it now. It says here currently in use, that's why I'm not turning it off. Okay? So once done, please proceed with the second option called system. Tap on it, and here you need to look for sound. Click on it so that you would be able to see this. Where here you need to proceed with advanced and go with all sound devices. Tap on it, and here it will show you in output devices and input devices. Proceed with input devices, and you need to select the device that you are the microphone device that you are using in your Windows. Okay, since I'm using DGM20 USB microphone, I'm gonna go with this. And in order to disable your microphone, simply click on Don't Allow, and it will be stopped or disabled in your Windows. In my case, I won't be clicking since my device is currently in use. In fact, you can see it there. This device is currently in use. Changing any properties during use may cause audio application issues. Okay, so I'll just leave it there, don't allow. But in your case, you need to click on it to disable your microphone. If you want to do so, then go with it. Okay. So simply close this window and that's it. You would be able to disable your microphone here in your Windows. Okay. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.